This is problem number 23. Again, it's Bayes' theorem, though perhaps a bit more abstract and maybe a bit more challenging than some of the previous problems that we've seen. So we're given that claims, or injury claims, are modeled with this function here, and we're asked to find the probability that there is at least one claim, given that there were no more than 4 claims. So I'm going to write out the fraction here, starting with the denominator, and then we'll come back and fill it in based on what we can create here. We're given the conditional statement that there were no more than 4 claims. So in our numerator, we're going to have the probability of 0 claims, plus a probability of 1 claim, plus probability of 2 claims, plus probability of 3 claims, plus the probability of 4 claims. That's what we're limiting our sample space to. And then we're asked to find the probability that there is at least one claim, given that there were at most 4. So be careful here, because a lot of times we have n greater than or equal to 1. We say, oh, that's easy. That's just 1 minus the probability of 0 claims. But we're limited to at most 4 claims. So that's not going to work here. Instead, we want the probability of 1 claim plus probability of 2 claims plus prob of 3 plus the probability of at most 4 claims. So this is a fraction we're going to use to get our answer. And I'm not even sure this is Bayes' theorem as much as it is conditional probability. Whatever the case, this is how you work it out. So we have this here, let's say for n equal 0, we're going to plug in our 0, that'll be plus 1, 0 plus 2, that's going to be 1 over 2, right? Just 1 times 2. And then for n equals 1, it's going to be 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6. That's going to be 1/6. N equal 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 2 is 4, so that's 3 times 4 for 12. For n equals 3, that's going to be 4 and 5. 4 times 5 is 20. And for n equals 4. 4 claims, 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 plus 2 is 6, 5 times 6 is 1 over 30. So we come back over here and we fill in our fraction. I'll start with the numerator. We have 1/6 plus 1/12 plus 1/20 plus 1 over 30 divided by this, but also the 1/2. So 1/2 plus 1/6 and 1/12 and 1 over 20 and 1 over 30. So if we churn all of that through the calculator, we are going to get 2/5 or 40%, which is B. So slightly more challenging problem than what came before, but still more or less working with the same ideas and playing in the same sandbox.